Okay, so what we're making this time is something called a nacho pie. That's right. It's been a long time, but here's another episode of Cooking with Karinsky. First thing you gotta do is get some dough, some baking dough, and put it in an aluminum pan. You wanna cover each crevice, each part of that aluminum pan. Alright, let's freaking dough. Okay, let's freaking dough. Just cut off all the excess dough, use it to cover up, make basically little walls all around that aluminum pan for you. This nacho pie is a great recipe. The next thing you want to do is grab some Doritos, okay? You want to take them, put them into a bag, and beat the hell out of them with a rolling pin until the point you got powder. It's going to look like Medellin over there, Medellin Christmas. You do the same thing with another type of Doritos. I'm using Flamin' Hot Doritos and Nacho Cheese Doritos. Look at that. Okay, Agent Crispin would be super proud. Then you grab your fixins, your ground beef. Just lay it on thick. A nice top-notch thick layer is what we're going for. Remember, you're going to layer this bad boy. We're making 2 pies right now, so I got enough cheese and enough meat for 2 pies. And definitely enough nachos. Once you're done layering everything, make sure you have a good amount of cheese. I'm going with provolone cheese. Just lay 4 slices down. That's all you need to do, 4 slices down. Then, after that, you're going to top everything off with some enchilada sauce. And then you're going to cover it up with some more cheese. And right after putting on more cheese, you're going to add more nachos, more mashed nachos. Just literally cover that top layer on both of them. This is going to taste so freaking good. Let's freaking dough! Now you're going to want to preheat your oven for 350, okay? Preheat your oven, and then you're gonna pop these bad boys in there. Now, depending on how much meat and cheese you put in there, this can literally sit in the oven from 5 to 8 minutes. Yeah, I said 5 to 8 minutes. It depends on how long how much meat and cheese you put in there. And once it's done, oh man, taking it out is gonna be a bit of a struggle, but it's gonna taste so good. All right.